द होइनी चाहिँ सेफ सोइल यता यता फर्केको त सेफ सोइल ल यस्तो दामी सेफ सोइल छन् यिनी यो चाहिँ एमयू क्याम्पस गाइस तल चाहिँ इगर बीच बोर्डिङ तल इगर बीच बोर्डिङ यतातिर बीबीएस क्याम्पस यहाँ तलतिर हाम्रो यो ग्राउन्ड खेल्ने ग्राउन्ड यो चाहिँ हाम्रो ल्याब तलको माथिको चाहिँ इन्जिनियरिङ लाइब्रेरी माथिको चाहिँ इन्जिनियरिङ भवनहरू है गाइजहरू यहाँ चाहिँ गाइजहरू सब बसिरहने फोटो खिच्नु भनेर ल
Let's go and watch our friends playing TT, right? Table tennis.
हाम्रो टेबल टेनिस खेल्ने साथीहरूलाई देखाइदिन्छु म.
So our friends are playing there. Let us zoom, right?
गाइजहरू
So let me introduce them. So let me introduce them. So the man who is on a black T-shirt is our friend Manoj, and the right to him was my friend Umesh, and the left to him is who is he? Vivek, and they are playing TT, and there is our canteen, right? It is our canteen. So we take our breakfast there. And this is the backyard of our university, and you can see the clouds, right? They are forming so many beautiful patterns, and the actually sky is so cloudy, and our friends are here. Hi Kolbadur, say something. Say safe soil. He is our Ganesh, he is Kolbadur, he is Ajay, and he is Dilbadur and Diwakar, right? Say something. Dilbadur, right? Dilbadur Sai. Yes, Dilbadur Sai Thakuri, okay. And this is me, Pushpati Thapa, and Safe Soil. So that's the end of the vlog. Ajay, you must post it on Facebook and tag me, right?